Karaoke digital audio processor with built-in power amplifier, effector and wireless microphone, suitable for many occasions. Below is front panel instruction. Power switch. 4.3-inch resistive touchscreen. U-disc reading window. USB interface to our PC control connecting. IR window. Below is rear panel instruction. 2-channel external audio input. Bluetooth antenna interface. 5.1 channel output. RS-232 interface. Connect with the central controller. Wireless microphone antenna interface. RCA audio input. That's support to modules output. Terminal output. Ohmic output. HDMI, IRC output interface. HDMI input interface. Power socket. Fuse.